Hello, good morning friends. Today we are going to see a new point or new problems on the topic that is population forecasting. Population forecasting. Basically, whatever the theoretical part already we'll see in the live lectures, but only the numerical portion will cover over here. So there are three methods of population forecasting. First one, it is arithmetical increase method. Arithmetical increase method. Arithmetical increase method. What the question it is given, find the population after 1980, 1990 and 2000. So we have to find out the population after 1 decade, after 2 decades and after 3 decades by the method of arithmetical increase method. So arithmetical increase method, the basic formula for arithmetical increase method, it is Pn is equal to P naught plus n into x bar, where Pn is the future population, population after n decades, where n is what? Here it is, n is the number of decades, n is equal to number of decades, n. X bar is what? X bar, it is the average of increase in population, average of increase in population, average of increase in population, that is the value of x bar. And what is the value of P naught? P naught is the latest known population, present population, latest known population. Latest known population. In this example, the population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given, and we have to find out the population after 1980, 1990 and 2000. So here we can see this year 1930 the population was 25,000. In year 1940 the population was 28,000. In year 1950 34,000. 1960 42,000. And last population, last decade, it is 1970, and this population it is 47,000. Now we have to find out the population in 1980. So what is the value of P naught? P naught is the latest known population. Latest known population will be 1970s population, that is 47,000. That will be the latest known population. So P naught is the latest known population, x bar is the average of increase in population, n is the number of decades, and we have to use this formula for arithmetical increase method. So to solve this problem, again we have to construct one table, arithmetical increase method, and for that arithmetical increase method what we require? P naught plus P naught value, it is already known, that is 47,000. P naught, n is the number of decades, and x bar we have to find out. X bar is what? Average of increase, average of increase. Now this year population it is given, we have to find out x bar. Now how to find out x bar value? We'll see what is how to find out this x bar. X bar is what? Increase in population, that is in 1930 the population was 25,000. 1930 the population was 25,000. In 1940 the population has increased 28,000. So what is the increase in population? Increase in population will be 28,000 minus 25,000. Increase in population will be what? Increase in this value. So this will be 28,000 minus 25,000. This will be 3,000. 3,000. Okay. This will be 3,000. Increase in population. Now increase in 1950 to 1940. So what is the increase? After 28,000, the next population in the next decade, it is 34,000. So 34,000 minus 28,000. So what is the increase? That is 6,000. 6,000 is the increase in population. Then next increase, that is 1950 to 1960, 42,000 minus 34,000. What is the increase? That is 8,000 increase in population. And here 1960 to 1970, the increase in population, it is 47,000 minus 42,000, that is 5,000. So these are the increase in the population values, x bar. Now take the average of these values. Actually, what is the sum? Sum of the values, that is total sum in the x bar column. 3,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 5,000. So how much it is? 17 plus 5, that is 22,000 is the sum. And we have to find out x bar. X bar is the average. Average is sum of all the values upon number of values. So 22,000 divided by how many number of values are 4. So 22,000 divided by 4. So what is the value? X bar. What is the answer? X bar value, it is 5,500. X bar. Okay. And by using this value, now we are going to find out this Pn, P naught plus P into n into x bar. So this is the formula. Formula is Pn is equal to P naught plus n into x bar. We have to find out the population in the year 1980. P 1980. P naught is the latest known population. Latest known population, it is what? 47,000. In 1970, it is the latest known population. Plus n. N is the number of decades. Number of decades is how much? After 1970, only one decade, 1990. So n value will be equal to 1 into x bar. X bar, what we have find out? 5,500. So the population in 1980 will be 52,500. That is the population in 1980. Now find out the population in 1990 population. Again the same formula, P naught plus n into x bar. P naught is the latest known population plus n is the number of decades. Number of decades will be 2 because last population known it is 1970 and we have to find out the population in 1990. So there is difference of 2 decades. So n will be equal to 2. We have to find out the population after 2 decades, and x bar the value it is same, 5,500. Okay. So what is the population in 1990? Population in 1990 it is 58,000. 58,000. Okay. Then find out the population in the year 2000. That is after 3 decades from 1970. Again the same formula, P naught, that is 47,000 plus n it is number of decades 3 into x bar it is 5,500. So what is the answer? Population in 2000. That population it is, value comes out to be 63,500. 63,500. This is the population in the year 2000. That is by arithmetical increase method. In short, we call it as AIM. Arithmetical increase method. Arithmetical increase method. The formula is P naught plus n into x bar. Now, this is by one method. Population forecasting, there are n number, how many number of 7, 8 number of methods. So this is only by one method, that is arithmetical increase method. Second method, that is geometric mean method. Arithmetic increase method. Second type of method, it is geometric increase method. Geometric increase method. The formula for geometric increase method: population after n decades Pn is equal to P naught in bracket 1 plus r raised to power n. Pn, it is the population after n decades. P naught is the latest known population. N is the number of decades. And what is the value of r? R, it is here, r is equal to rate of growth of population. Rate of growth of population. Rate of growth of population. This is the value of r. Now P naught value already we know, already we have solved the problem. P naught, it is the latest known population, 47,000, that is P naught. N is the number of decades, we know, but how to find out r? R is the rate of growth of population, that is rate of growth, how much percentage increase in between two consecutive decades, that we have to find out. So how to find out r? So this r can be calculated by two methods. There are again two methods to find out r, that is geometric mean and arithmetical mean. So two methods are there. So geometric mean method, by geometric mean we can find out the value of r. So what is the formula for geometric mean? That is r is equal to, in bracket, r1 into r2 into r3 up to rn raised to power 1 upon n. That is geometric mean method formula to determine the value of r. Basically, geometric mean method, in geometric increase method, find out the value of r only by geometric mean, because as per the Government of India manual, what they have mentioned in the manual, use geometric mean method or use this formula to determine geometric mean, to determine the value of r. Don't use arithmetical mean. Arithmetic mean, it is not mentioned in the Government of India manual, and so it is authentic to determine the value of r. This formula can be utilized. So this is the geometric mean formula. And arithmetical mean formula, arithmetic mean, it is r is equal to r1 plus r2 plus r3 up to rn plus rn upon n is the arithmetic mean formula to determine r. Now this is the r for geometric mean, this is the r for arithmetic mean. This is arithmetic mean, geometric mean and arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Now this geometric mean, arithmetic mean, two formulas are there. So we'll see how to find out value of r. First of all, we have to find out r1, r2, r3, and then we can determine the value of r. Okay, so here again make one column, that is for determination of r. How to determine the r value? Here r is equal to, how to determine r? Here the increase in population in this 2 decades 1930 to 1940, that is 3000, and this 3000 increase over the population of 25,000. In 1930 the population was 25,000. In 1940 the population becomes 28,000. So this much is the increase in population, 3000 over the population of 25,000. So we have to find out the value of R. How much? How 3000 upon 25,000 into 100. 3000 upon 25,000 into 100. Now this, suppose it is R1. Again find out R2. R2 will be what? This 6,000 population increase over the population of 28,000. So 6,000 upon 28,000. Here it is 28. Earlier it was 25. So 28,000 into 100. R2. Then R3 find out. 8,000 increase in population over the population of 34,000. So 8,000 upon 34,000 into 100. And R3 value, R4, 5,000 increase in population over the population of 42,000. So 5,000 upon 42,000 into 100. So these are the values of R1, R2, R3 and R4. So what are these values? First value it is 12%. Check the values. R2 will be 21.4%. R3 will be 23.5%. And R4 will be 11.9%. These are the values of R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now we have to find out value of R. So what is R? R is equal to, what is the formula? R is equal to R1 into R2 into R3 into R4 raised to power 1 upon n. Here while calculating R, this n it is not number of decades. This n it is number of terms, number of values. So R1, R2, R3, R4, there are 4 number of terms. So n will be equal to 4. So this will be equal to R1, that is 12 into 21.4 into 23.45 into 11.9 raised to power 1 by 4. Because there are 4 number of values of R. So this R will be equal to how much? 16.37%. 16.37%. The value it is in percentage. Now convert into regular value, that is 0.1637. That is the value of R. Now use this value of R while calculating by geometric increase method. So what is the formula for geometric increase method? What is the formula for geometric increase method? The formula is Pn is equal to P naught in bracket 1 plus R raised to power n. So P naught is the latest known population. So population after 1 decade, that is 1980, P naught will be 1970 in bracket 1 plus the value of R, it is 0.1637 raised to power n, that is here n is number of decades. So only 1 decade is there. So put the value of n is equal to 1. Now population in 1980, how much? Population in 1980, that will be 54,694. Check the value. Then population in 1990. Population in 1990, that will be again the same formula P naught P naught is what? How much? P naught is how much? P naught is the latest known population, 47,000. Okay, 1 plus R. 1 plus R, already value we have find out, 16.37, that is 0.1637, and raised to power n, that is number of decades 2. So population in 1990, how much it is? 63,647, and population in 2000, that is equal to P naught, that is 47,000 into 1 plus R, 0.1637 raised to power 3. So how much it is? Population in 2000, that is 74,066. This is the population in 2000 by geometric increase method. The formula it is geometric increase method, GIM. Initially it was, first method it is arithmetical increase method, second one it is geometric increase method. Okay.